Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Hell is Us not launching or won't launch, crashing or crashing at a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5. So here follow the fixes. The first and simple fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check problem fixed or not. Second fix is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. If you have any other secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Third solution is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to the language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and then check. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 5 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to setting, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check which one work for you. Fix 6 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. OK. Now launch Hell is Us and check if the problem is fixed or not. Fix 7 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Hell is Us game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 8 is to disable and enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. 9th solution is to disable performance mode. So start PS5, click the gear icon on the top right of your PS5 home screen. Navigate to settings, save data and game/app settings. Scroll down to game presets, go to performance mode or resolution mode and select game default. Fix 10 is to delete game data and cache. Make sure to backup the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Then go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Select Hell is Us and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network setup internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS setting, choose manual and enter primary DNS as 8888 and in secondary DNS type 8844. For the proxy server, choose do not use and then launch the game and check problem solved or not. Fix 12 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Hell is Us game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can fix Hell is Us not launching, won't launch, crashing a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.